Welcome everyone. Today we are going to walk you through the process of installing XAMPP server on your Windows 11 operating system. XAMPP is a powerful tool that allows you to set up a local web server environment for testing and development purpose. So let's dive in. First thing first, let's download the XAMPP server installer. Open your web browser, type XAMPP server. Click on first link. This is Apache official website and there are three versions. You can download anyone. So let's download most latest and downloader window will open soon. Otherwise we can click on click here button. Click here. This is the exe file. Save it and check the how much 10 minutes is showing to download it. Once the download complete, we will continue installation process. Once the download complete, double click on the installer and click yes. So now user account control prompt will be appear and click on the yes. So here process has 50% completed. So do you want to allow public private network access app? Allow. And now click on the finish. So here all the, let's check start. This is the start button. This is config and locks. First click on start. If everything is will be correct, then it will start. So you can see there is a green background with Apache. That means localhost, localhost. Yeah, this is. So this page showing that means our XAMPP server has successfully installed, and also you can check MySQL. Click on php That means this is working. That means it is installed successfully. And make sure just click on stop Apache. So let's see what happened. This is also down because localhost is not working now. You can see this can't be reached. But when you start Apache, it will reload. It is working. But now PHP might be working. Stop the PHP might be. So PHP might is not working now. You can see the error. So now it is start, reconnect. It is working. So that's all. And for this tutorial, now you are ready to start using XAMPP to set up your local web server environment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.